Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we were discussing punctuation in capital letters and we completed part 5 of exercise D. So today we will start with exercise 6. So basically, one day a hungry fox stole into a fruit garden. As you know, first alphabet should be capital, one day, then we have to use comma. A hungry fox stole into a fruit garden. We require full stop, then he may H capital. He saw many bunches of grapes hanging from the vine. Then we required full stop. Then T capital. Fox wanted to eat the grapes, but they were too high for him to reach. Then we required full stop. Then he H capital, comma, he jumped, comma, paused and jumped again in an attempt to get at them. Then we required full stop. It was all in vain, full stop. At last, we have to take a pause. He gave up, full stop. He capital, he went away saying to himself. It's basically a quotation word. That means you have to use in comma, inverted comma. He said to himself, he went away saying to himself, comma, inverted comma, T capital, the grapes are sour, then full stop, I don't want them. You have to close with double inverted comma, full stop, and in this place you have to use full stop. 7th, can I borrow your ruler? Ask Nitin. नितिन ने पूछा है तो दैट्स अ मार्क ऑफ इंटरोगेशन लास्ट में यूज़ करेंगे एंड स्टेटमेंट जो होगी वो इन्वर्टेड कोमा में आपको मेंशन करनी है. दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद डबल इन्वर्टेड कोमा. कैन में सी कैपिटल, देन क्वेश्चन मार्क, नितिन में एन कैपिटल, देन फुल स्टॉप. ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन सेट अमर. अमर ने कहा है तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का पार्ट बेसिकली कह सकते हैं ए कैपिटल, देन कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कोमा में यू कैन मेंशन रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब्स सेंटेंसेस. ओके, दैट मीन्स जो कहे हुए वर्ड्स होते हैं, दैट इज कोटेशन. डोंट वरी रिया, पलक सेड, डबल इन्वर्टेड कोमा, डी कैपिटल, रिया में आर कैपिटल, देन पलक पी कैपिटल, देन कोमा इन्वर्टेड कोमा, देन आई एम श्योर, आई apostrophe m, sure mother won't be angry. That will be complete with double inverted commas. And you are going to beach, aren't you? So U capital, U में Y, double inverted comma, apostrophe, then comma, question mark, double inverted comma, S should be capital, then statement will be mentioned in double inverted comma and Y will be capital, I will be capital, then finally full stop. You must read, U capital, basically novel का name given है तो great expectation में G और E capital, then full stop. After that it is a good novel, I should be capital, and finally it will complete with full stop. Clear? Duster. Exercise E. Have you ever played tape the tail on the donkey? That is, it is indicating question making sense. last में question mark. We played it at my birthday party. W will be capital. It's easy and fun. First, then full stop, miss a comma. Mom pasted a big picture of donkey. Up on a wall, then full stop. Next, comma, she blindfolded the first player. And should be capital in next. She blindfolded the first player. Comma, Andrew, A should be capital. Then she gave Andrew a donkey's tail. With a piece of tape on it. Right after R will be capital. She gave him the tail. Full stop. She spun him around so that he got dizzy. He spun him around so that he got dizzy. Then Andrew walked up to the picture. Walked up to the picture and tapped the tail where he thought it belonged. He thought it belonged, full stop. Finally, mom removed the blindfolded. Remove the blindfolded from Andrew's eyes. And we watched his face when he saw where he had placed the tail. When he saw where he had placed the tail. Now exercise F. One day, Ralph decided to pack his suitcase full of snowballs. Ralph decided to pack his suitcase full of snowballs. Full stop. His cousin Sammy told him not to. Told him not to. He told Ralph that all the snowballs would melt. He capital. He told Ralph that all the snowballs would melt and ruin his suitcase. Ralph didn't listen. Full stop. He packed his suitcase. He capital. He packed his suitcase full of snowballs and they all melted. And they all melted. Water started to leak out of his suitcase. W will be capital. Water started to leak out of his suitcase. So basically it was exercise B, and finally the topic punctuation and capital letter has been finished. Okay, so in the upcoming lecture we will start with the new topic. Thank you so much.